So today I will tell you how to scan the document using your mobile phone, and then you can share the PDF with any person whom you want. So for this you need to first of all open a Play Store. So in the Play Store just type Microsoft Office Lens and then search. So you will get Microsoft Office Lens icon like this. You need to install this application. So I already installed, that's why it is saying open. Otherwise, in your phone, if you want to install, the option will come install button. You need to press it, then it will automatically install in your mobile phone. So once it is installed, you need to open that application. So just a minute, I'm just opening this application. So Office Lens, I am just opening this Office Lens. So when you open this application, the automatically camera will open. Okay, so in this camera you need to click the picture of the document that you want to share. So for example, I have a document, I want to take the picture, so I'm just taking this click. Okay, so I just took this click. You can crop this document using this area button. Okay, so I just cropped it and then confirm. So once you confirm, this document is ready. Okay, so in this document, so suppose this is one page, and if you have a notes for 2 or 3 page, you can directly add some more pages into this document. So here there is a button add new. Just click this add new button. Again you can click another page of your document. So I'm just clicking this other page. Again I click this other page document. So again I cropped and confirm. Okay, so if you click this row button, so here the row button is there where 2 is written. Click this row button, you will see this is the first page and this is second page. So 2-page document is created. Okay, if you want to highlight anything in any of the page of your document, there is a option of writing pen at the right top side. So just click this writing pen. You can choose any of the color. So suppose I'm just choosing this green color, and I want to highlight, suppose there is a formula, I want to highlight this. So I can highlight this like this. Okay, if you want to write anything, so there is a T button here, there. So at the T button, if you click this T button, it will ask you to write something on this paper only. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to highlight anything, if you don't want to encircle anything, you can always, so just click this pen icon, and there is a redo option just besides of delete button. So at just beside the delete button, there is a redo option, bent arrow button. Just click this bent arrow button, so it will redo the thing. Okay, so this 2 document photograph I just clicked from the application, and then done button. If you click this done button, it will ask you to save in different formats. So in this title you can rename the title. So suppose this was my physics notes, so I'm just renaming this file. Okay, so this is physics notes, and I want to save it like PDF. So I just click this PDF. If you want to save this like image, you can go to you can click gallery. Otherwise, if you want to save it like Word, you can click Word. If you want to save it like PowerPoint, you can click the PowerPoint. But I want to save it like a PDF. So I just click this PDF and then save. Once you save this file, you can see there is a file with the name physics notes. Okay, so it is saved as a PDF. Now there is a 3 dots there with the file. Okay, when you click this 3 dots, it will ask you to share. Okay, so once you go to share option, it will ask you to share with someone on the WhatsApp. So just click the WhatsApp. You can click the WhatsApp and you can go to your contact with whom you want to share this document. So it will be shared like, okay, so I'm just giving you an option like I want to share with a person. Okay, so I'm sharing this with a person, and you can see this PDF file is shared with the person whom I want to share. So you can share this document with your class group, with your students as well. Okay, so this is how we can share any of the document or checked copy in the PDF format with your students. So I hope you understood the process, how to make the document as a PDF, how you can save it in your phone, and then how you can share it with your students. So thank you so much.